Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by locking the core prerequisites: a clear 100K Sway Dior target, basic legal and payment setup, and an MVP. Once done, allocate the $500 baseline budget and connect analytics so you can measure traction. You must validate demand quickly, run small ads, and seed 10-20 users to test assumptions. Make sure to capture behavioral data and feedback, because that will drive iterative improvements and inform pricing. Start executing immediately, don't wait for perfect conditions. You scale by tightening the funnel and prioritizing high ROI channels. Once you see initial conversions, double down on the best-performing ad sets and influencer partnerships while cutting waste. Make sure to /B test headlines, CTA, and onboarding flows. Small lifts compound fast. You should automate follow-ups and billing to reduce churn and manual errors, and integrate CRM data to personalize messaging. Continue measuring unit economics so you know when to increase spend. Every dollar must show a path to profitable growth. You finish by converting intent into committed buyers through urgency, clear upsells, and streamlined checkout. Once done, push a final conversion cadence and prioritize highest LTV customers for cross-sells. Make sure to monitor CAC, LTV, churn, and runway. These metrics tell you whether 100K is sustainable. If growth stalls, troubleshoot quickly. Swap creatives, simplify purchase flow, offer a risk-free refund window, and beef up real-time support. A single targeted fix often restores momentum. Be ready to act fast.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.